So after finishing all the basic drawing, I started by applying a base coat color all over my canvas, which is also going to act as a primer coating for my painting. Especially for an oil painting, you always have to develop it layer by layer. So as you can see here, I'm just putting all the elements that are going to act as a background for the final details. And I started by putting a darker color to all the depth parts. And especially in oil painting, you always start with the darker part and then you reach to the highlight lighter tones. I started to finish with the base coat part in the evening, and I literally worked whole night on this work, and I didn't realize that it was already morning. And here, as you can see, the sun is falling on my canvas, and it was so natural and beautiful. Now I'm giving some base coat of a tree which is shown in the picture, and then I am starting to make some details over the arch, and then I am doing the grill parts all over the door. Here I first made the grill with the white paint, and then I put the yellow paint over it so that it pops up. Now after working on the wall and the tree part, I am finally starting to work on the portrait, which is the main character of my painting. And here you can see how I'm working on the face part. Even these are still the base layers, the final details are still yet to be done. And now I'm just slowly and gradually developing all the details of the dresses and the shirt. And as you can see, I've given all the detail which the pants has. I have used a very thin miniature brush for this purpose so that I can do justice with all the detail that the picture has. Now I'm just building the layers of this painting, and it's all about the detail work now. The detail of the staircase and the arch of the door and the tree. And here you can see where I'm putting highlights all over the painting and trying to do as much detail as possible. You must be wondering why I'm holding this wooden stick. It's because I want to avoid my hand to touch the painting surface so that it doesn't ruin. Here you can see how the painting has started to come to life by just the detail work. I was observing and putting all the details that I could see.